To set and change the combination code, follow these steps. Set the combination to the factory preset number, which is 000, prior to resetting the code. Work the lock back and forth to ensure operation at 000. While in open position, locate the small hole on the side of the lock. Push the pinhole plunger in with the tool provided, and you will feel a spring-like action while you push down on the plunger inside. Push and hold in while setting the first number to the desired code and then release. Turn the lock back and forth to ensure the first number is set. Repeat this process for each number. Do not forget the new combination. Only you know that number, and it can only be changed by you. Install cover and rotate the dials to hide your new combination code. To open, turn dials back to your code and rotate the lock.